Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we got a little request. We had a viewer request and they're wondering how to take the GoPro, like the 8.7 footage, like from the 11, 12, and 13, to get that extra wide footage and how to output it in Davinci Resolve. So we're going to do that today. So what I did was, you'll just first want to go to Davinci Resolve. Go ahead and get that. It's completely free. You'll just download it here. We've already downloaded it. But once you're done with that, just go ahead and grab all your GoPro footage, and I just drop it into a file or a folder on my desktop called GoPro footage. I usually put the date there, and then what we're going to do is just open up Resolve. Give that a second just to open up. And then once Resolve opens up, we'll just be dragging and dropping that footage onto the timeline, and I'll show you how to do that. So here we go. So here's our little welcome screen. You can see all these. I just got hundreds of saved videos, but we're just going to start a new one. So just hit open. And then I'll kind of bring you up to this. And guys, I'm going to go quick here, but feel free to pause and rewind. And again, if this helped you at all, please subscribe. Totally will help me out. So here in our little file, we're just opening up our desktop. And then new files, our GoPro. And now here's our files. We're just going to click and drag. Just dragging that into the media pool, which is right here, and it says change project frame rate. We'll just hit change. Let that load up. So what I'm going to do is grab these clips, click and drag. I'm going to right click. I'm going to click create new timeline, and then I'm just going to, everything here, we're just going to go to create. So this is the main question, because what happens is this is GoPro footage straight from the camera, and like when you play it, I'll show you. So you have all these bars here, and this is just how the 8.7 footage looks. So the question is how to get this footage and edit it into like a regular viewing angle, so like a TV can play it normally and stuff like that, and I'll show you. So you can see these are all of our files here. So what we're going to do, your first thought would be to zoom, right? No, but you're going to lose picture quality that way. So you're just going to go down here to your timeline. You're going to select all, Control A, and then you're going to go up here to timeline, go to timeline settings, and then where it says format, we're going to uncheck project settings. And then you see mismatched resolution, scale entire image to fit. We're going to go to center crop with no resizing. And then go to output, do the same thing. And then hit OK. And then you can see what that just did. That just filled in our picture with no loss in picture quality. And it centers it. So from here, you can work on your y-axis in the position. And you can basically choose, do you want more of like the horizon visible, or do you want more of like your dash visible? And to do that, I'll show you. We're just going to click and drag. So there's more horizon visible. You can see that. And then here's more of your dash visible. You can see that. To reset it, you just hit the little reset, and that'll put you right in the middle. So yeah, so let's just go ahead and try that. We'll just for time's sake, we'll just make this as small a video as possible. So watch this. We'll have this section like regular GoPro footage, and then this section will be the edit. So watch this. Okay, so we're just gonna, so we want this little section onward to be cropped correctly. So watch this. We're just gonna cut it. And for time's sake, we're just going to make this small. Okay, so watch this. So see how you're playing this and you're like, oh, there's bars on it, right? So just to for this demonstration, we're going to make, when it gets to this section here, it will be formatted correctly. So we're just going to go to right click and then timeline, no resizing, center crop with no resizing. Boom. Well, I went ahead and did all of it, but that's just to show you how to do it. Well, there you go. There's what your video would look like with the center crop and no resize. And yeah, I'd say that looks pretty good. So I guess we made it this far. Say you just want to finish up and just output this little clip. We're just going to go right over here to, and guys, this is the first video in the series, so let's go ahead and subscribe and like if you want to see more of this style. This is the first style that I've done like this. So yeah, so here we go. We're just going to go right over here and click this. And this takes about 10 seconds to load. And then it'll eventually load. And now we're just going to tell it where to go. So we'll just put it back in that GoPro folder. And we're going to call it Matt's Edit Demonstration. And then here's what, for YouTube and stuff, you're just going to go Format, MP4, Codec, there, H.265, timeline resolution, and then I usually go to restrict to, and YouTube says like 85 megabit, but I usually do like 90 for 4K footage, and then we'll just hit quality, add to render, and then render all. Now this will start to render it. It says it'll be done rendering in 20 seconds. So we'll just watch this finish up, and then we'll play our little video. And this will just show you, I'm just going to show you what it looked like before and then what it looked like after. So yeah, it's just chomping through this 4K footage. Okay, so now if we navigate back to our GoPro folder, here's what it looked like to begin with the little bars on the side. And now here's what our final edit looks like. Yeah, there you go. So yeah, you can see there's no bars on the side, and in your final output, this will be a 16:9 just format, so it looks really good. So yeah, I'm trying to think of what else. I think that's about it. Then that's just showing you how to do that little conversion. But again, guys, like and subscribe if you appreciated this video. I'm just here to help. I'm sure your videos will be a lot better than mine. Mine's just getting you started. So again, thank you. Have a great day.